Hey y'all, before this video start, I want to tell y'all that I'm finna start trying to make all my videos like this. Like, my videos, y'all be saying look boring, and I see what y'all be saying, but I'm gonna try to make all my videos like this from now on, like kind of creative, and that y'all will be entertained at the same time instead of boring, I guess. And yeah, so comment what y'all think about this video. I'm gonna try to do all my videos like this, not the same video, but like more entertaining. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, gang. Gang. What's good, y'all, man? Back with another video. You already know this is gonna be a hairstyle video, man. People were saying I look lazy, like I talk lazy or something. It's just because I don't know why, but I just be coolin', bro. I don't really be oh my god, what's up, y'all? Like other people be, I just be talking normal. But yeah, this a hairstyle video, and if I be looking like I'm bored, just don't worry about it. That's how I talk. And nothing to be happy about. You just talking to people, telling them information and stuff. That's all I'm doing. Ain't nothing to be, yeah, so you can get your hair like this and then you can do that. Nah, just talk normal. I'm just gonna talk normal and just show y'all what to do. Show y'all to give y'all tips and stuff, and that's all. I ain't gotta be all hype about it and stuff. But when I make this other channel, cause I'm finna make a YouTube channel, it's gonna be me and my homies finna make a YouTube channel together. A YouTube group or whatever. We finna start going crazy. So I'm gonna let y'all know when I do that. It's gonna be soon though, so stay tuned. Comment if I wanna see that though. For real, comment if I wanna see that. Me, my homies, we gonna be playing basketball a lot. We're gonna be just vlogging, doing some lit videos, like, you feel me? If I know, say no limit, and then we're gonna be doing videos like that, but it's gonna be different. This gonna be a hair video on style to fix wild dreads. So these rubber bands were small rubber bands, but I just connected these to make it a big one. But yeah, that's all it is. As y'all can see, my dress looking wild right now. Like, I ain't getting a retouch yet. Like I said, I'm gonna get a retouch when I start school. But it's how my dress looking, you know. They looking wild right now. If you got wild dress like me, I'm gonna shout out a style to fix your wild short dress. So if your dress like mine short, your hair can be even shorter than mine. You can still make your dress look crispy. So yeah, this is the easiest way for this, bro. And I'm finna show y'all how to get y'all self a lining. If y'all ain't finna go to the barbershop yet, cause like sometimes when you get your hair lined up and stuff and taper like me, your hairline gonna grow back in within like a week if you like me. So I'm gonna show y'all how to just fix it up a little bit better. I'm gonna show y'all everything. So without talking, let's get straight into this video. Alright, hope this don't pop one and then rub back this broke. But yeah, so as you can see, my hair will wild like this. So first, alright, so just get the rubber band. You see how big it is? That's why I use a whole lot of small black rubber bands, cause it's gonna be real scratchy and good and it won't pop. So just do this, you feel me? Get all your dreads inside of the rubber band. So like this. Alright, as soon as you got that, make sure you have your finger like good so you can push it back. All you gotta do is push it back like this. Trust me, it's gonna make your dress look way better. Like, oh, it's a real simple, easy style. It's a, you feel me, win-win for y'all, you feel me? Just keep pushing it back real far so it's gonna look raw. If your hair not long enough, it might be shorter than mine, you probably can't push it back as far as I can, cause your dress gonna start falling out. Push it back as far as you can. Well, not as far as you can, but push it back good enough so it can look good like this, if y'all know what I'm saying. But yeah. Then just do this. Feel me? Then you got that. Bro, we finna go to the bathroom real quick. Alright, so now this is the hairline part right here. So, you can see, well, my hairline already fixed, you feel me? But I'm finna mess it up so y'all can see how to do it. So what you need, turn on some water. Alright, so you just wanna you feel me, wet your brush so you can brush down the hairline. And my hairline was already fixed. I already did this morning, but I'm just gonna brush it again and make it messed up. Cause it looked like I've been had a hairline, but my hairline was messed up. Trust me. Just brush your hairline down with the wet water so your hairline can be like wet and it can be easy to like swerve and make it look straight with the brush. Alright, so now I'm just, you feel me, gonna start doing it. And how I do it, y'all can see basically. I ain't really gotta tell y'all too much. But if you mess up, just brush it back down. But then just like brush the little edges to the side so it can get straight like that. And then just start making like a straight line like this. And then I'll do the sides too, but on the sides you just wanna like curve it down. But if you mess up, just brush it back down and then just start trying to curve it again on the other side. You can see it better now. You can see exactly how I'm doing it. I messed up, so I just brushed it back down. Now I'm finna curve it back down now. Y'all can see how good it look now. Alright, so now I wanna get you some tissue. Feel me? Y'all like, why you need tissue for? I'm finna show y'all. You get something like this, cause your hair wet. I mean your face wet, so you don't wanna keep it wet. Do this. Just hold it in the back like this. You don't gotta tie it or nothing, cause it might rip. You can if you want to though. And then just tap it so the water can, you feel me, suck into the toilet paper or paper towel or whatever. And yeah. And then just pull it off like that. And see, now it's dry. And put that little crispy line up, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, this how I look now. You got the crispy line up, you feel me? But my liner wasn't even that bad, cause I only had my haircut in like a week and a half. So it's my stuff didn't fully grow back all the way. And yeah, if your hairline grew back more, it would be looking way crispier, cause you can, you feel me, like do it better. You feel me? Cause there's more hair to fix. But I ain't really have to do nothing too much. I ain't really try too hard to make it look good. But yeah, it's an easy style. You can get crispy line that you can get. Your dress won't be looking so wild no more. You can just put it back like this, and yeah. So this how I look. And yeah, so make sure y'all comment what else I want to see. Y'all don't never comment what else I want to see. I swear y'all never comment what y'all want to see. That's so far. React to your subscriber dress. I'm gonna do that. I just gotta find out how to screen record it and then record it with this. But I'm gonna do it soon, trust me. But yeah, comment what y'all want to see, man. Make sure y'all like this video too. If you like it, you feel me, I'll mess with you. I don't know how people be disliking my videos. I be doing, you feel me? They be decent videos, bro. Yeah. Please like the video, man. If you really want to like the video, on God, because I really mess with y'all on it. On 11, 1 through 10, 11. For real, though. On God. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. I'm going to see y'all next video again.